One number decides if you get to live in a beautiful, sturdy treehouse or if you spend your nights shivering in the rain. One single number decides if the big gorillas of the jungle open their vaults of bananas for you, or if they laugh as you walk by. The humans call it a credit score. I call it the jungle trust meter. I'm a monkey. I like bananas. And today, I'm going to show you how to win this game so you never have to beg for a snack again. In the human jungle, your reputation is a number between 300 and 850. It tells every lender one simple thing. Can we trust this monkey to give our bananas back? Or will he disappear into the deep canopy the moment he's full? A high score means respect and cheap fruit. A low score means you are a risk. But here is the secret. This number is not about how many bananas you have piled up in your cave. You can be the richest monkey in the forest and still have a terrible score. Why? Because this number doesn't measure wealth. It measures behavior. It measures your word. The big gorillas calculate your score using 5 ironclad jungle rules. Rule number 1, payment history. This is the big boss. 35% of your score. Do you return borrowed bananas on time? Every single moon? The jungle has a long memory. If you promise to return a bunch on Tuesday but show up on Wednesday, the jungle marks you. Even one missed delivery can haunt your reputation for years. Rule: if you borrow it, you return it. No excuses, no delays. Rule number 2, banana usage. This is 30% of your score. Imagine the jungle gives you a credit basket that can hold 100 bananas. If you are always walking around with that basket filled with 90 bananas, you look desperate. The big gorillas think you are one storm away from disaster. But if you have that same 100 banana basket and only carry 10 or 20, you look disciplined. Keep your baskets light, under 30% full, and your score will soar. Rule number 3, the old vines. Experience matters. The big gorillas are suspicious of young monkeys they don't know. A monkey who has been borrowing and returning bananas for 10 years is a legend. He is predictable. This is why you should never cut down your oldest vines. Even if you don't use an old banana account, keep it open. That history is the proof that you've been a good monkey for a long time. Rule number 4, banana variety. The jungle likes to see you handle different responsibilities. If you can manage a small credit card for snacks and a big treehouse loan at the same time, you show mastery. It proves you can handle the whole forest, not just one branch. Rule number 5, new requests. Be careful here. Every time you ask a new gorilla for a loan, they check your file. If you ask 10 different lenders for bananas in the same week, you look like you're panicking. The jungle smells that fear, and your score drops. Only ask for new bananas when it's truly time to grow. Why does this matter? Because of the banana tax, what humans call interest. A monkey with a high score pays back almost exactly what he borrowed. A monkey with a low score has to pay back double because nobody trusts him. A bad score is a leak in your basket that drains your wealth while you sleep. Don't try to be clever. The jungle doesn't reward gamblers. It rewards boring, predictable, reliable monkeys. Monkeys who do the same right thing, moon after moon. Quick reminder, this monkey is not a financial advisor, just a very honest one. If this helped you survive the jungle, subscribe and swing with me on the next branch. Protect your reputation. Protect your bananas. Because in this jungle, trust is the only currency that lasts. Monkey out.